Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Artesia local and long distance movers near me. We make certain your long distance move happens on schedule without worry. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the nation, we're here to help you. With us, you get all the best moving services to make moving so much easier. We handle all the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time and transparent pricing. If you want to work with the California Moving Company, justifying the expense may seem to be tough. However, after a close look at the advantages of hiring a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. You gain the advantage of saving time on your local move, which could be well worth it. Avoiding the heavy lifting also provides yet another advantage you get from using the right local movers. Our experienced movers offer effectiveness with each and every single move. You never have to stress over devoting several days taking care of your move when you pick 3 movers to help. Even if your move is big enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in less than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Artesia moving business offers extra services from which to choose, including commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.